Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to render and export a finished video in iMovie on your Mac. Whether you're new to editing or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the final steps to get your video saved and ready to share. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you've finished editing your video inside iMovie. Once you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the share button. It looks like a little square with the arrow pointing up. From the drop-down options, click on Export File. This is the best choice if you want to save the video to your Mac and upload it to other platforms later. Once you have selected it, a new window will pop up with some export options. For title, name your video so it's easier to find later. The description is optional, especially if you're just saving it to your computer. For format, keep it to video and audio. You can change the format to audio if you just want to render the audio. For resolution, choose 180 or 4K for high definition. You may not see 4K option if your video was shot in lower resolution. For quality, go with high or best if you want top quality results. For compress, choose faster if you're in a rush or better quality if you want a cleaner export. Once everything looks good, click next. On this pop-up, choose where you want to save your file on your Mac, like your desktop or external drive, and click save. Now, iMovie will begin rendering and exporting your video. You'll see a small circle in the top right corner of iMovie showing the progress. Once it's finished, your video will be saved as an MP4 file and ready to upload, share, or archive. And that's how you render and export a video in iMovie on Mac. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.